Hello and welcome to this Dr. Frost Maths key skill video on finding the coordinates of a point that shares a line in a ratio. So let's consider this example here. The point M lies on the line segment AB. So let's draw a line segment AB where A is 5, 0 and B is 9, 16. And we have a line segment connecting them. That's just a finitely long line that connects 2 points. It's not infinitely long, so it doesn't pass A, doesn't pass B. Now we've got a point M somewhere on there such that AM to MB, that ratio is 3 to 1. Now it's going to be about here because we can see then the ratio of the length AM to MB is going to be 3 to 1. We can see that that length is longer than that length. We can see that's 3 times longer than that length according to this ratio. So we need to find the coordinates of that point here. Now all we need to do is work out what fraction of the way we're going across the line getting from A to M, say. Now if you imagine that these parts in the ratio actually represented distances, let's just say that was 3 kilometres from here to here, and that was 1 kilometre from M to B. Now what fraction of the total distance have you gone if you go from A to M? Well, if the total distance is 4 kilometres, from A to M, you've gone 3 kilometres of that. That's 3/4 of the way. So basically, we want to go 3/4 of the way from here to here. Now let's do this separately for the x value and for the y value. If we look at the x value, we're starting at x value of 5, we're getting to an x value of 9, and we want to go 3/4 of the way across. Now can you see at the moment, the increase in x is 4, so the x value is going up by 4, but we only want to go 3/4 of that, and therefore you only want to go up 3 to get to M, because 3 is 3/4 of 4. And 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. So the x coordinate here is 8. Now let's do the same for the y value. The y value here is 0. We want to get to a y value of 16 when we're at B, but we only want to go 3/4 of the way along. Now in total, the y value is going up by 16. So if we do 3/4 of 16, we find that's equal to 12. And therefore, we only want to go 12 up to get to the point M. So we start at 0 and we go up 12, which is 3/4 of 16. We can see that the y value of M is going to be 12. And that's the final answer.